'Tis the season for warm cocktails. Who doesn't love a hot toddy?
Oh, I do.
I bet you do. I do too. And you know, it's part of the seasons changing. We're hitting fall now, approaching winter.
Yep, yep.
There's something to those warm beverages.
I'm going to file that under self-care, you know?
Okay, you heard it here. The psychiatrist says it's okay. And guess what? It turns out crock-pot cocktails are hot this season. And here to give us the latest scoop on how to vibe and imbibe with your slow cooker is mixologist and co-author of Bourbon Bartender, Jane Danger. Welcome to the show, Jane.
Hello,
Jane.
thank you for having me.
Nice to see you.
Jane, first of all, let me just say, I love the name, Jane Danger. I mean, come on.
Dr. Ish has been excited
Thank
for
you.
this segment
Right?
all day.
I've been looking forward to you. Oh, yes, yes. Now, there are a lot of crock pot themes. There are a lot of cocktail themes, and crock pot cocktails is a hot trend. Why are these the thing to try this season?
Well, it's just so perfect. I mean, everyone has a crock pot, right? I have like 3. So that's a great setup to go there. It's, easy cleanup at the end of the day. When you're hosting, you want to be so present. So it's really awesome to put things in here, kind of to set it and forget it, and just be with your friends and loved ones and have a good time, but also have something really delicious while you're making this new memory.
All right, Jane Danger, we have to say that name. We love it so
Love
much,
it so
right?
much. Oh, yeah.
Let's get started. So what's first, and what do we need to make that first cocktail?
First, we're going to be doing the cider celebration, and it tastes like it sounds. It is perfect for, tailgating into your Friendsgiving, Thanksgiving. We're going to start with a healthy dose of pressed apple cider. Take my lid off my crock pot here. We're going to do about 4 parts. Get that in there. It just already smells so great. I'm such a big fan of cider. From there, we are going to go into the Irish whiskey. We're going to be using a Jameson Black Barrel, but you can use your favorite expression, like the Jameson Original. I'm
Jameson
using
works.
the Black Barrel.
I like it already.
Yeah, yeah. This has some great caramel notes going on, which we know pairs excellent with apples, and also some vanilla from the extra charring of the barrel. So it's just a really fun go-to there. I'm going to do some dashes of Angostura bitters, which you'll probably have seen in your grandpa's bar cabinet or at any bar, really. And they're just great. They're called aromatic bitters. So they have a lot of baking spices, cinnamon, a little bit of gentian, things that are good for your tummy and digestion and all that, but not saying, that's why. But great flavoring, kind of like a vanilla extract, if you will. And now we're going to my favorite part. I was a cranberry sauce kid. I don't know if that's a certain thing, but I really enjoyed it as a child. So there was hardly any left over. But now as an adult, when you get the canned cocktail sauce, like I have here, there is leftover sometimes. So this is your perfect application. We're going to be putting it in the punch. So just right from the can, scoop it, and we're going to put it right in there. And then we're going to go, last bit, we're going to get some ginger. I've got fresh ginger slices here, that great spicy kick. I'm going to give it a little stir to get that cranberry starting to break up. It's already turning a great ruby color. And in goes the ginger, and we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to let this sit till it starts steaming. And that's when I know, when you see the condensation on the top of the lid, it's going to be ready to go.
Well, Doc, I think it's time to try it, right?
I believe so.
Doc,
Cheers, my friend.
cheers. And guess what? We get paid for this.
That is good.
That is
delicious, Jane.
Now, Jane, we can't drink too much of this because we're making TV, but you can also do non-alcoholic versions, right?
You totally can. This is a really easy fix. You'll just want to up the amount of cider that you have. You're going to be omitting the Jameson and the Angostura bitters. And then you should add in some additional spices to the ginger, maybe some cinnamon, allspice, grate a little nutmeg, whatever you have in your pantry to kind of jazz it up and give it those same notes. Mix in the cranberry just the same, and you'll be good to go.